Okay, so we got this situation, equation of normal. So we will have this situation, point form means they will give you a point and you have to write down equation of normal. Then parametric form means you have to assume a point on the curve and then you have to write down equation of normal. Then slope form. Okay, now look at this. First, suppose that we got point form, means we got a point on the curve. Okay, and you have to write down normal. So how we will approach? So what you have to do, you have to go with tangent first. So you know first equation of tangent. Okay, so first find equation of tangent. So how we will get equation of tangent? T equals to 0. Okay, now you know that slope of tangent, okay, slope of tangent into slope of normal, both are perpendicular to each other and the product is -1. So now what we will do, we will find slope of normal. Okay, means we have calculated equation of tangent by doing t equals to 0. So from there we can find out slope of normal. So if we got slope of normal, we can find out slope of normal. Now if we got slope of normal, you already know a point on the curve because of point form, and now you know the slope of the normal. So can I go with slope point form to write down equation of normal? Correct? I hope you are getting the idea. Now parametric form. So again you will imagine a point on the curve in parametric form and you have to follow the same step. Okay, now slope form, what you will do, you will just ignore the slope form. First you will imagine a curve, you will imagine a point on the curve, and then you will find tangent, and then you will find equation of normal at that parametric point. Now you will compare your slope of normal with the given slope and then you have to update your equation. Okay, one more suggestion is there, like suppose that you want to write down tangent normal. So this is the equation of normal, y equals mx minus 2am minus am cube. Like if you have observed, I have suggested you guys to study till 2 am or 3 am. So you can connect with 2 am and 3 am. Okay, so this is how you will find out the slopes. Now look at this. Sometimes what will happen, you have to find out equation of line. Okay, sometimes you have to find out equation of line. Okay, so you will play with this equation. Okay, find out equation of normal passing through the given point. So you will satisfy this equation at this point and this point because they have provided you point. Now you will get three values of m. Okay, so you got point and you got three slopes, so you can write down three normals. Correct? Sometimes what will happen, you need a point on the curve. Okay, so over there what you will do, you will replace m with minus t. Okay, and thing is done. Means you will get the point on the curve where you can drop down normal, and trust me, these 2 points are super important. So you have to memorize these two things. So y equals to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Yeah, this is 2am, 3am. Okay, but the 3 is in the power. Okay, and if we need a point, we will replace m with minus of t, and then again you can play. Okay, I will we will like solve so many illustrations based on the current topic. Okay, so for building better conceptual clarity, but still for time being, please memorize these two things. Is that clear? Okay.